Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Arash and today I'm with you with more golden tips in cryptocurrency market. If you have seen my last video on YouTube, you could make more than 40% profit in only one night because I've mentioned that this Dogecoin negative movement is fake, okay? And you can check this video after the end of my today video. And today I'm with you with some golden tips in cryptocurrency market. I'm going to teach you how to use total market value of cryptocurrency to make profit and to have better analysis on Bitcoin and altcoins. Okay, if I want to begin in TradingView website, you have to check crypto total market cap calculated by TradingView index. Okay, this index is working really nicely. There is golden tips in this index and you can have technical analysis on this index and you can actually make a lot of profit from analyzing this index. Why? Because for example here, the last time that the total crypto market cap has reached here, I had an analysis that Bitcoin is going to go down and it happened. Okay, if I want to compare it with Bitcoin moved down from $50,000 to $40,000. Okay, but this is a total market cap, so you can actually use this index to predict the movements of Bitcoin. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you something. You can now combine this index with Bitcoin chart and have a stronger analysis. Okay, how? For example, right now this index has broken the all-time high, okay, and it had a pullback last night, okay, and right now Bitcoin is having a cup and handle pattern, and as you see we had a cup and we are forming the handle, and I think Bitcoin price is going to break above the all-time high. Why? Because the total market value has been broken the previous all-time high, and also Bitcoin is completing cup and handle pattern. So if I want to combine these two together, if I want to sum up, I predict that this cup and handle pattern is going to work and Bitcoin is going to break above 65k and is going to start some sort of another uptrend in the future. Did you get it? If so, let's continue in this video because there are more tips and there are more things that you need to know about this index. Okay, you can use any sort of technical analysis way in order to analyze this chart. Okay, so if I want to analyze this chart, you can see that this all-time high has been broken. We had a pullback and I think this index is going to go up and hit higher levels. And also, as you can see, we can draw a perfect uptrend channel for this index. Okay, we can do anything with it. Okay, we can use, I don't know, Ichimoku cloud on this index and everything is working on this. Okay, but there is another chart and another important chart which is total 2. What is total 2 index? It says crypto total market cap exclude BTC. Okay, it means that Bitcoin is not included in this index. And too many people, they ask me, when is the alt season? Today I'm going to tell you when the alt season is going to come. This technique is really beautiful. Okay, how can you predict the beginning of alt season? It's quite easy. After the breakout from this all-time high, the alt season will begin and all the cryptocurrencies, they are going to be pumped one by one. Okay, and the money will exit from Bitcoin and enter altcoins. Okay, after the breakout from this all-time high, this is going to happen. So you can actually use total 2 or crypto total market cap exclude Bitcoin to predict the beginning of alt seasons and altcoin pumps. And I combine these indexes with my technical analysis and I can have a strong analysis. But remember that total 2 index is correlated too much with Ethereum. Okay, if I want to load Ethereum, you can see that this chart is too correlated with Ethereum. As you can see, they are moving a little bit like each other. as you can see here. And after the breakout from here, I think Ethereum and also most of altcoins will begin the uptrend, strong uptrends, and they can actually go to the moon. The third chart or index that I want to talk about in this video is BTCD or Bitcoin dominance. Okay, as you can see, sometimes the dominance of Bitcoin moves up and sometimes it moves down. When the dominance of Bitcoin is moving up, it shows us that cryptocurrency market is getting more dominated by Bitcoin. And when the dominance is going down, it shows us that Bitcoin is losing power. Okay, sometimes it works like this. If I want to make it exemplified to be more understandable, let's check the Bitcoin price and chart. Okay, from the 1st of August, Bitcoin dominance has moved down. Okay, but if we check Bitcoin, we can see from the 1st of August, Bitcoin was moving up. When Bitcoin is moving up, but it's losing dominance, it means that altcoins are actually doing better in the market. Okay? You can also combine this with total 2 chart. You can use indexes and Bitcoin price and technical analysis to have a stronger actually analysis and prediction about the market. As you can see, from the 1st of August, crypto total market cap exclude BTC has moved up too much. Okay, so it shows us that altcoins are doing better and you can actually enjoy alt party in the market. So from now on, if this total 2 break out from the all-time high and Bitcoin dominance start to move down, it shows us that alt party is going to begin. For starting the alt party, we need Bitcoin to be stable, okay, without any kind of strong ups and downs. And if I want to give you more tips about cryptocurrency and altcoins, you need to know one more important thing. If you check my last night video about Bitcoin and Dogecoin, you can see that I'm mentioning that this movement, this red movement, this negative 15% movement is fake. Why? Because for example, in some moments in the market, everybody is expecting the uptrend. Okay, everybody is waiting, and in cryptocurrency market, in financial markets, it's not meant to be that everyone make profit. Okay, it's not meant to be. Okay, not everyone should make profit. Not scared people, weak people, weak hands, stressed people, they shouldn't make profit. Okay, so you need to concentrate, you need to focus, you need to be like a robot. Okay, you need to think properly that this altcoin has broken the trend line, and this is a pullback. This is just a pullback, and it's happening because everybody is waiting for an uptrend, and this is happening because they want to make them scared. Okay, they want to make Dogecoin holders to exit buy positions. They want to hit stop losses. Okay, they want to change minds about this altcoin, and in some moments, some big hand they start to sell, and big guys will start to buy at the bottom. Okay, so keep this in your mind that in cryptocurrency market, there are some moments that everybody expect an uptrend, but something opposite happens. But every fundamental factor, every technical analysis factor says that it has to go up. Okay, so in cryptocurrency market, trust yourself, trust your analysis, and don't be scared of some sort of unpredicted volatiles in the market. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you later.